Cool. Is that faster than crawling? Careful. Hey, Mia. Mia. Let's put this back for a second. Show me that scooching thing. Show me that. And some crawls. Now you're moving. Is it slippery to crawl in a dress? Don't worry about Daddy's slipper. Now show me that sitting up scooch thing. Here. Now sit up. Okay. Now go scooch backwards. Go, 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 go. Cool. Okay, say bye. Can you clap?